How to change the font size of menu items on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the size of this menu item into your Wix website. So all you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to have the access to your Wix website, and that by going to the wix.com, sign in for an account, select a website that you have on your site's dashboard. Here we have the Wix website dashboard that we have selected. Click on edit site and here it will open up the website itself. So as you can see here, we have the menu on, or the menu item at the top. So we have the horizontal menu. You can go ahead and change the size of it. So we are going simply right there to select the menu. Then we are going to click on design. From here, you are going to see the menu design. Here we have the items or the menu that we can change, the layer or the, as you can see, the layout of them. I'm going to select this. And from here, we are going to click on customize design. So obviously you are going to see that we have here the option to select the layout of this text, but there you can go ahead and put it as boxed here, from here and there, bold, with a vertical, as you can see, dash or not. So here the most here important thing is to head over the size or the text. So we are going to ignore the fill color, opacity, corner shadows. Here we are going to click on text. Here we can go ahead and select the color of the text, the theme of the text. Here we have a heading or a paragraph. The font, you can go ahead and change that font, and we can go ahead and put it bold or not bold like this. And here we've had this disappearing. So we have here the font size. You can go ahead and put it here, here a little bit smaller like that, or a little bit bigger just like that. So you're going to make it maybe a little bit bigger like that, and you're going to exit that specific area. So you can go ahead and make it like this, or make it a little bit bigger to fit all the elements into one page. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller like that. So the not visible items are going to be here on the more section. So remember, click on design, click on customize design, text, and then you are going to select the theme of the text, the font of it, and also the size of it. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.